This is the Eufy RoboVac X9 Pro, and according to Eufy, this thing is supposed to replace your vacuum and your mop with almost zero effort from you. Sounds amazing, right? But after spending serious time testing it in real homes, with pet hair, spilled coffee, dusty corners, and all the annoying stuff robot vacuums usually struggle with, I found a few things the marketing doesn't really mention. And honestly, some of them might surprise you.
Eufy RoboVac X9 Pro product overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The Eufy RoboVac X9 Pro is Eufy's flagship robot vacuum and mop combo, designed for people who want a premium smart cleaning experience without stepping into ultra-expensive territory, like some high-end competitors. It launched as part of Eufy's push into more advanced AI-powered home cleaning, and the big selling point is its dual spinning mop system combined with strong suction and smart obstacle avoidance. This thing is clearly aimed at busy professionals, pet owners, and honestly, anyone tired of dragging out a vacuum every other day. And unlike cheaper robot vacs, the X9 Pro is trying to feel genuinely hands-off.
Eufy RoboVac X9 Pro Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform in day-to-day life? Honestly, this thing is impressive, especially on hard floors. The dual rotating mop pads put actual downward pressure on the floor, so it cleans more like a human mopping instead of just dragging around a damp cloth. Coffee stains, dried footprints, even sticky kitchen messes, the X9 Pro handled them way better than most robot mops I've tested. Vacuum performance is also strong. On hardwood and tile, it absolutely flies through dust and pet hair. Carpets are pretty solid too, although deep carpet cleaning still isn't quite on the level of a full upright vacuum. What surprised me most was the navigation. The AI obstacle avoidance is genuinely useful. Instead of bulldozing charging cables or getting trapped under chairs every 5 minutes, it actually recognizes obstacles pretty reliably. That means fewer rescue missions, which, let's be honest, is kind of the whole point of owning a robot vacuum.
Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that actually matter. First up is the dual spinning mop system. Instead of a flat, vibrating pad, the X9 Pro uses rotating mop discs with downward pressure. Why should you care? Because it removes grime instead of just smearing it around. If you've got kids, pets, or high traffic floors, this is a massive upgrade. Then there's the auto clean station. After mopping, the robot actually washes and dries its own mop pads. That means less smell, less bacteria buildup, and honestly, way less maintenance. It's one of those features you don't think you need until you try it. The smart mapping system is also excellent. You can create no-go zones, customize rooms, schedule cleanings, and even set different cleaning modes for different spaces. And finally, the obstacle detection. It uses AI-powered sensors to identify objects on the floor, which means fewer collisions with shoes, toys, or random cables.
Design and build. Aesthetically, Eufy did a really good job here. The X9 Pro looks sleek and modern without screaming tech gadget. The matte finish feels premium, and thankfully, it doesn't attract fingerprints nearly as badly as glossy robot vacuums. The dock is definitely large though, so if you live in a tiny apartment, you'll need to plan where this thing goes. But the trade-off is that the dock handles a lot of the dirty work automatically. The robot itself is fairly low profile, which helps it slide under couches and beds pretty easily. And overall, the build quality feels solid, not flimsy or toy-like the way cheaper robot vacuums sometimes do. Pros. Excellent mopping performance with real scrubbing action. Self-cleaning dock reduces maintenance dramatically. Smart app controls are easy and intuitive. Cons. Expensive compared to mid-range robot vacuums. Dock station takes up a decent amount of space. Final verdict. So, who is this actually for? Look, if you're someone who hates cleaning floors, or you've got pets, kids, or a busy schedule, the Eufy RoboVac X9 Pro makes a really strong case for itself.
The combination of powerful vacuuming, genuinely effective mopping, and the self-cleaning dock creates a setup that feels close to truly automated cleaning. Now, if you live in a very small apartment or you're shopping on a tighter budget, there are definitely cheaper robot vacuums that'll get the basics done. But they usually don't deliver this level of convenience or mopping performance.